Ma'am, with Amokari, Nazari was a Kogi, Zeeshan Boogimayum. India given a CBSE examda 97.8 score Toguna, Kogi exam result of my Pakrava, Kogi now Zeeshan, Amada Zeeshan, you have my introduction to you, Ming Kaikoi, Kari school lagi, exam the pastor Okono, other parents singing, father name, mother name, siblings have been introduced to you.
Assalamu alaikum. I am Zeeshan Boogimayum. I see Manipur le ta bada am koi na le je mapanum da am tam bani I see school le mam Haryana tam bani do PMC Kendra Vidyalaya ko school le tam jabani ai baba maming di Muhammad Anisur Rahman kawi adu ge nei ma gina Naziasan ai gi isnanaw hoi isnanaw humni ai khoi dia hani ai ma da makhanu pam le doga nupi athum miri doga I having what Manipur say I'm fluent with the high tire though English to an gang do
Yeah,
English to it's been a great achievement since the result has been declared, and I know it's been a great achievement, and I'm very grateful to Allah for this success. Yet there's a little bit of slight remorse because this was not I was expecting. But still the case, all done is good. That's all I have to say.
Hi. Bro, I was saying, when I was a conversation with the koi material now what and the difficulty when I overfang it. And bro, schooling Manipur na class kya book tamai aduka atay schools in a karai men.
I started my schooling from kindergarten in Punjab. There I studied till first grade, and then I moved to Rajasthan. Then from first to third, and then to Guwahati, Assam, from third to 8th half. And then now I'm currently in Haryana. That's from 8th half to 10th. Now I'm currently living in Haryana.
Okay. On a 10 exam, how the subjects artificial intelligence subjects Manipur music initiate academic syllabus include AI AI quite important more subject more schooling life subject AI latest subject ado AI jida score one of hang na hona ko tam na go na quality effort hada gi from the guide way na kal
When we talk about in the fields of artificial intelligence, AI basically means artificial intelligence. So it's a new subject introduced by CBSE according to the National Education Policy 2020, and it generally focuses on when we hear about AI or something, we generally relate ourselves to coding and systems and AI systems and all, but it's not basically like that. Till 10th, we are taught in AI like the basics for artificial intelligence, like different kind of intelligence, different kinds of learnings, so that the student gets aware of the different kinds of learning so as to proceed in further career if he is choosing AI, ML or DL sciences. When we talk about my effort, when I had chased about 99 marks in AA. But if you ask about the efforts that I made, it's not that hard. I usually focused on the notes given by my teacher, provided by my teacher, and that was I think enough for my AI preparation. Yet for the practicals, I practiced Python programming language, I mean basic like printing calculators and all. That's what I did for my AI preparation. And at the arrival of the examination, I too borrowed a reference book from my teacher, and that kind of really helped me a lot in my AI preparation. So that
maths English to the perfect score malago Hindi is perfect score final perfect score me am phang edo sida koi young students in the koina khangau na pai hata by heart to memorize to siga subject ama je understanding le na hona siga ani sing marta go like power strategies more memorizing the focus over natragana more understanding the focus over point
Now,
I'll be honest regarding this. Most people try to confuse a lot about this when you talk about memorizing and grasping concepts. For me, what I would recommend is to my fellow juniors as well, and I'm talking to you right now, that I would say that try to grasp the concept as well as you can in your mind. That it will help to avoid you to cramming things. That's all I have to say. Like when you understand the concept, you don't need to bother about memorizing answers and writing in an exam. Like if you know the concept well, you can frame your own sentences and write it down as well you want in the examination hall. Memorizing, I think it leads to procrastination as well. That it leads to just wastage of time. Furthermore, it creates a lot of burden in our minds because being a 10th grader, the syllabus of 10th is really huge. I mean, so that's what memorizing things, I think it won't do a lot. So understanding the concept is a way better, particularly in theoretical subjects. Just pick out the keywords and underline the meaningful sentences and just drop it with you. And when the time of the exam, just revise it once and then you're ready to go.
And that's a great answer. Like schooling system by heart over memorization to focus concept understand the questions stuck sometimes to for more again have the reports with a burden no more jaga have Hojik sigi masai like power strategy and the bro if was for the fulfill tower. I don't know number hojik se bro exam tharise Haryana the inata Haryana KB school the exam tharine adi sigi KB exam tharase kone sa man wari shab the or father gi thaboki transfer gi matung school je toina hong gi wari am yaw rego adona dogi wakalda toina school hong bajina no one that mental burden ohen bra natragana toina school hong bajina culture में आम तो उर कांदा mind जे hen open we hen we jaga am create over kamai to
I would preferably say that when we continuously adjust ourselves to different surroundings and all, what we get is meeting different kinds of people, and everybody knows that in terms of diversity, India is our nation, is a very diverse one in the whole of the world. That's what. So meeting different kinds of people teaches us to grasp good things from them, like learning valuable insights and ignoring the indifferential ones. So I don't take it as a burden. I have really good friends from there everywhere. I had been to Punjab, I had been to Rajasthan, Assam as well now, and I'm in Haryana, and they all have been nice to me. And that's all I have to say.
Okay. School je toina hona avanina friend circle makal makal nam thena ga moi culture mam grab story tongan mi sin mentality u phange sina koi mindset je growth tona bi phone create toy aro huji pokta pull friend circle jing marka nang study campaign in mam su yaw ngani ado sign friend circle ge marka change to bujira ngai open mindset am create to ngam ga su khoi like pamin na ba na tragana study circle am change to mutam ri bro gi hamda Seasonal, wakal da kaya emotional level point effect kaya the yaw
No, I don't think that there's kind of an emotional change. No, if we target the emotional change, I think that makes the person emotionally weak. That weakness is often targeted and misused by various kinds of people. You know that though India is a very diverse country, you might find good people as well, and obviously the bad ones as well. Okay. So presenting yourself as an emotionally weak person might be misused as a chance to degrade you by some individuals as well. So I don't think when particular comes to studying as well, presenting yourself as emotionally weak individual is not a good idea. You should be mentally strong and present yourself as a better individual in the group of peers.
Okay. Bro, mindset already okay. 15 years to labor mi amagi angang amagi haitare ko mindset tu ga bro mindset ke yang matam di you are already matured much more than any other people ado sigi potsi yam fazaba ka haitare mental fortress amane na haitare ko ado humbogi sai mamana pro siblings sinau sing lei ko sinau je inau pamaga chanupi amaga lei hai ado hojik brogi circle siblings inari brogi study to matam de moise moi like tapi gumba natragana moi amaga like pamina gumba haidar sigumba ga bro da haidar support gumba se kam mo na phang.
Like since my siblings are younger than me, so I don't get that kind of a support. But yeah, I do help them with their academics and all. And when it comes to teaching complex topics, I do help them a lot. But in return, I don't get much support from them since they are younger than me.
That is like hujik se Manipur la kuma tamda mapan le hoiba environment ari koi mafam de leiba society gi mawong matau aro environment sing gi ong kanda Manipur la kuma tamda yam chaotic oiba aro koi koi le surrounding je iram ram na thoga leiba gi mami yong kun mami na te same photo kun uri ko si ani je comparison ta kuma tamda Manipur leiba satra singina achievement ama na tagana success sama create to ngam na gi phang na bu hona bu matam da Manipur environment che burden cham oram gani na khanbra na tagana masida karambo khan balai bona sometimes.
Talking about Manipur's environment, yeah, it may be burden for some individuals, and it can be a great opportunity to succeed for some others as well. When we talk about two different perspectives, being a burden is usually created when you don't focus on your original tasks, like wastage of time, procrastination, comparison, etc., etc. But if an individual uses and plans his or her timings and schedules his or her daily activities on a daily basis, I think Manipur's environment is great is the greatest than the other environments.
Ado hojik se hojik 10 pass tawre over the top mayam the hand score to ngame see you ever marks brother congratulations and my jege ado was makata ba nasi dena after 5 years matungda where do you see yourself and after madu matungda another 5 years having nasi dena 10 years ki matungda de brogi life da karma mafam da karma profession da changa kanda life establishment create to ngam ngani khal.
For now, I'll be moving to 11th and I'm opting PCM, that is non-medical stream. And for the next 2 years, I'll be preparing for JEE Mains and JEE Advanced and appearing for it. And if Allah grants me the right path, maybe I will succeed and get into a better college. And if luck would have it, I will probably opt computer science engineering. And then maybe after 4 years I think it's 4 years for the graduate period. Okay. After that, maybe I'll enroll myself in a private company or all, get a good package, and further prepare for civil service examinations.
Matung dosu hena better future amagi better achievement amagi damakta hena try to review na mana thamge. Ado makata waje hose koi ga famin harijina Zeeshan gi father ne ado father gi nakan de introduction macham dang to biwo aduga karana Zeeshan gi sigumba achievement ji phangna wona ko tamda hana expected to ga leiba result ama oirakibra natragan unexpected oiba smaina sibu te chim to kani ha thajaru de na haibna chingbo mafam gi dang thambi.
Assalamu alaikum. Aigi ming Anisur Rahman koi aigi baba gi mamuna laikhidre Haji Muhibur Rahman ado aigi baba na kana pokpada koi pataruk ni ado da ain om suban pani ai hoji Indian Air Force ta service tawjari ado gi service tawi matungina aigi primary duty haitare koi gi country si safeguard tobani koi na maru ena primary duty si aduna government India ki matungina koi ki transferable job koi bani na anywhere the government ki order ki matungina koi sa same form amadi amada aduna mafam amadi mafam amada sabam matamda ai gi angang sing si transfer to matamda yamna difficult yam oikiba yawi yamna ngonda yamna problem oikiba in addition to my primary job adu defense da lei bai basti yam silly adu matakta so ai yamna magi school gi ano bala phamda ai gi transfer oi matam sina academic season hek loi matamda hek to wida ba ai gi transfer job ai every interval of 5 year 4 years ki interval of transfer job oi aduna November December ki matam si hek oi ga legi si adu danga sai gi somdana academic 6 months sam se close to ki ba asomna 6 months on what hori ba sida ingon admission re-admission to matam le ngon yam difficult oi ki ba yamna problem oi ki ba so problem yam thoki adu grade of Allah ai khona dwa to ro matungda yamna mafam te makta at last ta yamna after try more to ro matung sida at last ta admission si di phangi adu gi matung sida khoi Zeeshan gi magi academic ki matang sida ai magi matakta yana focus to bangam jate kari gi na haiba da ai gi thabak si yana sinba any time 24 hours ta any time da any moment da all torakpa adu gi matung da any khoi gi defense gi maram oi banina any time de khoi ready to matam moi even day and night any time da aduna adu gi matam da ma onda khoi thabak si yam sinba maram oi da na magi study da yana focus to bangam jate adu maroina maki mama haitare maki mama najiasan mana adum yumda lemina banina mana maroina guide toraga magi sumba success si amaga punna to minaraga success orakpani haina haijaninge
ado ka kano se khoi manipur ri coaching gumba to tuition gumba to se yamna chanabi mo loi to webo masi to raga di anga amje mai pak pangam da bagi poda ma da doi follow to webo ado Zeeshan gi matang da khoi coaching gumba tuition gumba extra school gi nataba school da gi ta lakona ta top extra coaching natra tuition gumba chatki leba
sigisi man of thinking ki concept ni ma chi angang sina caliber si magi ma si to bangam gani am khamba di coaching is not required mana ngasai gi oja sina tagi ba matam se siga tang mana fajana matam kitang ka thopera ga yum da halaga revise to bo ta di aduda an additional coaching gi dakar oiroidroina khanje ai gi oinadi mahano ko top additional coaching jo taukhide adu mathakta su ma school halai roga ma si sana ba sali adu matunda mana after sana ba sala matung sita ma adum magi school thar ko do revise to roga dum ne adu yam koina di phamde matam khara khatang phami yam koina pham basu aina usum okite
Zeeshan gi ma da yemo Zeeshan je khoi brought up to matamda ma je karam ma khoi character oi khoi haina ta na da yam yagan bangang oi pra natragana kara tough oi bangang oi pra natragana yung gi thawai ngang to matamda ma je kai bu ki chang mating pange ado lai pau matamda ji masana dum lai pau haina da dum pa angang oi pra natragana lai pau da hai ta khara wa bangang oi pra mai to
Zeeshan si pi ngai da yauna yamna hai bin ba maram mokpa ngang ni gode isi mase ado masana su adum like se class 1 dagi di masana dum self study masana dum tawjaba mase tawje masana adagi mana khangak taba hairak taba singduna ingonda hangi mana adoga aina dum yengaga amadu like to ero amadu ero yengaga khotlaga aina dum takbi adu mase imung nungi thabak ta su adum khoina Zeeshan si tawso si tawsi abaduna adum mating pangi ma helpful oi bangang
ado magi siblings singa loina matam ji ma se karamba madi karamba mong loina ma se oja am gi type loina bra na tragana mamana ba ma loina bi type loina bra karamba mong loina mai siblings
ma di adum angang macha dawna mamana ba gi type ta ngam pe dum phagi jugai tawraga majak masti tawraga adum mai dum loine
hojik se Zeeshan je India gi wena di high score yam wang we score am were ko ado sigumba achievement ma phang pa sida Zeeshan gi madara moina karamba wakhal phobi aduga matung de Zeeshan gi ni ma gi di khoi non medical line de chatkani hadana ma gi stand ma leigre ada ima yi wakhal de gi di ma ji kari karamba line chalhani aduga kari ohening habi gi dream ga di leibe
ai gi di kai su thodo pa leije de man Zeeshan na pamba gi matung ina mana dum chatning bam line de dai dum chachning